Guys, I'm shaking right now. I'm literally shaking right now. I just got the first order on Noon. Like, the notification came in and I was like, wait, this is real? And if you're trying to sell online here in the UAE and you feel stuck, this video will save your weeks of stress. Hi everyone, my name is Hanisal and welcome back to my channel. And I am a first-time seller here in the UAE, and today I am sharing my journey registering as a seller on Noon. From frustration and giving up to my first order, because trust me, this is not a smooth story. This is the real story, the portal to busy story. If you're watching this, maybe you are trying to register but the portal keep crashing. Not sure how onboarding works. Confused about the barcodes, packaging, warehouse, or you feel like quitting. I was all of that. So I'm going to tell you what exactly I did, what Noon team helped me with, because they were very helpful, what mistake I made, and how you can start and get your first order too. So on January 12, I registered my business on Noon Partners as a seller, but honestly, it was really annoying. Every time I tried, it said that the portal was too busy. I kept retrying for days, then finally, I successfully registered my name, email, mobile number. Then I tried uploading my trade license and I get stuck for 5 hours. I took 5 hours just to keep trying and trying and trying. And at that moment, I was like, okay, I'm done. I give up. I was so irritated. And I was really almost quit. Then the next day, I received a call from Noon. They told me, we are your onboarding support team. We will help you the process. And this is important. If you are stuck, don't be shy to ask support. Noon has onboarding people who can guide you. So we booked a Google meeting and they guided me step by step on how to upload my trade license, complete the onboarding process, list my product, activate my warehouse, and they also explained two options of fulfillment. The first was fulfilled by partner, and meaning you pack and shipped, and fulfilled by Noon, meaning Noon handles packaging, shipping. Since I'm a beginner and I want to learn the process, I choose fulfilled by partner, which is myself. So FBP, you packed plus ship, and FBN, Noon pack plus ship. My first product is a foldable aluminum laptop stand, and yes, it's actually affordable and in demand. There was also a packaging option inside of Noon. You can order packaging depending on your product size. So I ordered packaging, and funny story, the packaging arrived bigger than the item. It was large and my item was like very small. But I learned fast. Next time, order smaller packaging or add a bubble wrap to protect your product. For the packaging tips, always protect item to avoid returns. So after listing, I thought it was done. But then another call came from onboarding team and says that your listing is not live yet. So again, we did another meeting and they checked what was missing, what was the issue. So it was the barcode. They guided me to update the barcode properly, and oh, boom, it got approved. It was live, like instantly. And then this is the best moment happened. A few hours later, I received an email saying I have an order to fulfill. So like, oh my god, this is real. It's, because finally the things I'm doing is having a result. Not big yet, but it's the start. Now, if you are beginner, exactly like me, here's exactly what I did. I clicked view order. Noon guided me to create shipment. I packed the laptop stand. I added a barcode label. Noon provided. I entered the barcode number in the shipment details. I placed the label properly on the box. Then I click ready to hand over. And now I am waiting for the courier to collect and deliver the item to the customer. Here are my tips if you want to start selling on Noon in 2026. Tip number 1, don't quit. when portal is busy. Just keep trying. Tip number 2, ask onboarding team support. They will guide you step by step. Tip number 3, start with one product, simple and affordable. And tip number 4, learn fulfillment first. FBP is great for beginner. Tip number 5, fix barcode early. It's usually the reason listing don't go live. Tip number 6, packaging matters. Protect item even if the box is bigger. And if you're watching this and you feel behind in life or you're starting from zero, listen, I'm not a big seller, I'm not a millionaire, but I get the first order because I didn't quit. This order is not a luck, it's proof that the system works. So if you want me to share how to choose the best product on Noon, how to price for profit, how to scale from 1 order to 10 orders a day, and how to build a small online store in the UAE, then subscribe and comment below. I want to start and I will reply to you. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. This is going to be exciting.